Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super quick and easy fix for those who getting the no internet connections error on Monopoly Go in 2025. Let's jump right into the solution and trust me, we'll be back rolling in the dice in no time. First, open up the Play Store on your mobile device, search for Monopoly Go and check if there is an update available. If there, make sure to update the app and latest version. This alone can often fix the issue. Next, we are going to clear out any corrupted data that might be causing the problem. Long press Monopoly Go app icon on your home screen. Then tap the small app info icon that appears. In the menu, go to storage and cache. Now, first tap clear cache and then tap clear data. Don't worry, your progress is usually saved online, so you don't lose anything important. Once that's done, reopen Monopoly Go. In most cases, the simple process fixes the no internet connection error instantly. And that's it, quick and easy. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more fast tech fixes. Go another issue, apps or games. Let me know in the comments below.